The new dispenser mount is designed to fit to various different shaped swing arms with different shapes and spacing between the swing arm and sprocket. It can fit both left and right hand drive chains and single-sided swing arms. Before installing the mounting bracket, offer it up to the swing arm to identify its approximate position to allow easy access to the sprocket face and to determine if you need to bend the dispenser plate. If required, do so using a pair of pliers. Assemble the dispenser plate with the mounting bracket using the bolt, washers and locking nut, tightening sufficiently using a spanner and Allen key to allow the plate to slide up and down the bracket for fine tuning. Take note of the position of the chain adjuster, and if the transmission is set towards the front of the adjuster, with minimum adjustment used, position the dispenser plate equally towards the front of the bracket. This will allow for adjustment of the dispenser as you adjust for chain wear.